This one is 26 bucks and this Home Depot. Let's give it a shot if it is work or not. Hey, thanks for visiting my channel again. This one is my review for the Husky PVC cutter right there, homedepot.com. This one is the 2 inches version, and there's I think 1.5 or 1 1/4. So to open this one, you can just push it like that forward, and it's gonna be opened by yourself. And there's no any instruction to the package, but let's check if this one they can bite this. What size of this tube? So I already gave him a nice bite, so let's squeeze it, the ratcheting, if it is cut. This 1/2 PVC pipe, schedule 40. It cuts, but it's not like even, not 90 degrees even, but it done the job. So it's up to you if you want to buy this one or not. So that's the simple review of this one. See you next time, and have a wonderful day.